Okay, so welcome back. So now let's talk about more about systems of equations. So far we've done examples of systems of equations where there's only one unique solution to the system. But there are many cases in which where there's going to be no solution at all to the system, or there's an infinite number of solutions, or what we say infinitely many solutions. Okay, so let's do an example where that comes up. So in this example we have the system of equations that we want to solve. Now the first thing I'm going to look at and notice that if I take the first equation and multiply the first equation by 2, I get the second equation. So that means the second equation is a multiple of the first equation. If that's the case, we're going to find out that there are infinitely many solutions. So if you see that that's the case, that one equation is just a multiple of the other one, meaning that you can either divide by a constant or multiply by a constant to get the other equation, there's infinitely many solutions. But let's show algebraically. Let's prove it algebraically. Okay? So I'm going to solve for y. So let's solve this for y. So we're going to get y equals 5 minus 3x. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute this in for y. Okay? And so what do I get? I end up getting 2 times 5 minus 3x plus 6x equals 10. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve for x. So now what I'm going to distribute the 2. So 2 times 5 is 10, minus 2 times 3 is 6x, plus 6x equals 10. Now notice something here. Minus 6x plus 6x cancels each other out, and I end up with 10 equals 10, which is a true statement. What does this tell you? This tells you that, hey, no matter what values of x and y I use, this is always going to be true. Okay? Which tells me that there are no unique values of x and y that will make this true. This tells us that there are an infinite number of solutions. It doesn't matter. Okay? There are an infinite number of solutions. Okay, so there's no way of solving to get a unique value of x or y because they dropped out of the equation. Okay? Now, we call these dependent systems. Okay? A system of equations that does not have a single unique number pair solution, but has an unlimited number of solutions, is called a dependent system. Okay? Because the two equations, like I said, are essentially the same equation, right? These two equations represent the same equation. Okay. So remember, this is a dependent system. Have a good day.